Namaste, my deep divine gratitude. My name is Dr. Vishwajit Singh and I will be your mentor for Ashta Lakshmi Reiki course. Now, today we will discuss the course outline and I will quickly answer some of your queries. So, this workshop will be conducted into two languages, Hindi and English, so you can enroll according to your choice of the language. Now, this workshop will be of 7 days, and on the seventh day, you will get your certificate as well as the PDF of the course. This course will require an attunement. For those of you who don't know attunement is an energy transfer. It is a 15-minute process, and you have to give special time for it. And you can discuss with me after your enrollment, and we can go for that time which is suitable to you. Now, there will be no live sessions on daily basis. This course will be given to you in form of recorded videos. We generally send the recorded videos between 10 to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So you can easily see the video and get your daily dose of knowledge for Ashta Lakshmi Reiki. You will also be provided a very powerful, a very unique, a very beautiful Ashta Lakshmi Reiki symbol, which will make you more receptive towards the grace of Goddess Lakshmi. Now, you are free to call me or WhatsApp me about your queries on daily basis between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and I will answer each and every inquiry. For group discussion, you can obviously join our weekly Zoom classes and ask me your questions directly, and I will give answers on video session, which we do normally on every Sunday. After you get your attunement, you can start to self-heal on your 7 chakras, and also once you complete your self-healing, you will be giving this energy to your loved ones, and you can also teach and attune others also. So with all this information, I look forward to see you in the main course, and let us we all have the grace of Goddess Lakshmi in our life. Thank you and be blessed always.